Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw Alibaba's stock drop 2.4%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
China's yuan jumped to a more than 2-week high against a falling dollar as the Federal Reserve said it had turned a corner in the fight against inflation, with investors expecting the US tightening cycle may end soon. Semiconductor stocks like Nvidia, Qualcomm and Broadcom rose on the back of AMD's strong earnings report. And following the Federal Reserve's decision to increase the federal funds rate by 0.25 percentage points. After slipping earlier this week on doubts about the Fed's rate hikes, crude oil prices reversed their losses, following an OPEC Plus meeting that resulted in no change to production policy and a weaker US currency.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst to pick up today's main economic events.
The French industrial output will be released at 0745 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 1330 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The Eurozone's Producer Price Index at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.